Alright, the new Gorilla Tag update is out, and let's see what they have for us. Love is burning so bright that I set the forest ablaze, trying to get sign. I don't know. The return of the volcano, bruh. Honestly, it's not that bad. Celebrate Valentine with Cupid themed cosmetics and other Fury fashion in the shop. A new stand has opened in the store. Refresh your wardrobe with a rotating selection of tees. Rotating is probably the new map. Rotating. Whoa. Okay, hold up. The RTX is back. That's alright. There's two Dougs. Two Doug the Bugs. Doug has a girlfriend. Hold up. Alright, we gotta think of a name for this one. I don't know if I'm late or something, but we gotta think of a name for the other Doug. You know that I actually like the volcano. I don't really know about you guys' opinions on the volcano, but in my opinion, I think it's pretty cool. I'm actually. I'm not very good at this. Let's go check out the new rotating map. Alright. Let's see. They probably added new cosmetics. The times update. Cool. Oh, GT3. They added a cake. I have the cupcake. Oh, this is sick. Oh, what? This is sick. They added a daily. Oh, this is also cool. Dude, they added a daily tree. That's cool. Let's get this. So every day there's gonna be a new cosmetic. That's sick. Got 3,000. Let's see what we got. This is cool. Whatever. Okay. Oh, that looks cool. We got the pepper. We got the bracelet. Oh, you can eat the bracelet. That's cool. What's that? That's cool. Also cool. Oh, this looks sick. Also sick. Also cool. Also cool and also cool. That's cool. Alright. Oh, they closed it off. They've closed it off. Alright, let's go check out the new rotating map. If there is a new rotating map, I don't know, honestly. Is it the same? Or is it different? Oh, okay. It's the same, but did they fix it at all? No? Is the other bug still on the ground? No? Do the ropes work? No? I don't know. So nothing really changed down here, but yeah. This update so buggy. I just got kicked from the game. Why is this update so buggy? I've had to restart my game several times because of how laggy it is when I get in servers.